going to tell Ryder the big news. This is what he looks like. I'll show his future girlfriends. Rara. Oh, wake up. We gotta tell you something.
Hey, buddy. There you go, Tango. There you go, Tango.
Ryder, we gotta tell you something.
You got a surprise.
Guess what, Ryder?
You're gonna be a big brother.
We're gonna have a baby.
Want a baby? We're gonna have a baby.
He's trying to contain his excitement.
Okay. Alright, we just wanted you to know first.
You're the first to know you're gonna be a big brother.
Now you go back to sleep and you rest because you're gonna have to surprise grandparents later, okay? So just get your rest. Okay.
No. Alright, you just dream of being a big brother. Oh, is that how you feel about it? Okay. Bye.